What's going on, guys? We are back here again today for another installment on our F30 340i build series. As you guys can see behind me, I'm here at CES Motorsports getting ready to put our MHD Stage 2 340i BMW on the dyno to see what kind of power we're looking at the wheels. So without further ado, let's get to it. So you guys may know our BMW 340i is an X-Drive equipped model. So the first thing we're going to do is install the X-Delete flash tool so we can go ahead and disable all-wheel drive to convert the vehicle into rear-wheel drive so we can safely operate it on a two-wheel drive dyno jet. As you can see, successfully have flashed our X-Delete, so it looks like we're now dealing with a rear-wheel drive car. So basically the next thing we do, right, is just take it for a spin just to make sure that we are definitely 100% in rear-wheel drive, because that's the last thing you want, guys, is to put the car in the dyno. You got a four-wheel drive car, two-wheel drive dyno, it's definitely where catastrophe can ensue.
Oh yeah.
Wet pavement, we're able to confirm that we are in fact in rear-wheel drive, so we can go ahead and proceed with the dyno. There it is, guys. Looking at 401 wheel and 450 pound-feet of torque. Not bad. So I'm gonna say that was a successful dyno day, man. Very straightforward, respectable power, you know, right at that 400 wheel mark. I mean, I'm happy with that, just for a reliable
Stage
daily
2,
driver.
OTS tune.
Pump gas, 93. That's really all you need, man. So there you have it, guys. We have concluded our dyno session. Make sure to give you guys an opportunity to view the graph. I'm very well satisfied with the results. I think this is definitely a perfect happy medium for a daily driver. Very simple stuff here. Downpipe, off-the-shelf tune, 93. I would highly recommend this combination for anybody out there with an F-Series BMW if you want a nice balance of performance and reliability for a daily driver. I want to give a huge thanks to the guys over at CES Motorsports, John and Hendel, really good guys to work with. Make sure to hit them up if you're in the area and you're looking for any BMW service or upgrades. That's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the Project F30 build series. If you guys happen to be in the market to pick up any performance parts, upgrades, etc., I'll be sure to include all applicable links in the description box down below for the build series. Thanks again for watching. I'll be sure to see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.